Hey y'all, we're at Langley Speedway in Hampton, Virginia at a car show. And our first car here is a Z28, a 69 Z28. She's in good shape, pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go back here. We got a, I don't know what this is. I'd be guessing I told you what it was. It's nice. It's a nice one. 32 Ford Coupe, I'm just guessing to that. That's a pretty rascal right there. Goodness gracious. Good shape. I'll tell you it's a Ford, that's all I can tell you. It's a GMC cab and a half, 53 of them, I'm guessing. This is a Cobra. 427 Cobra. It's a Jaguar. Nice.
120.
A 120 Jaguar.
First in the XK
1954. Another Camaro, 69 Camaro. I don't know, that's not a Z28 because it's not on the side of it, but it's a pretty rascal. 66 Chevelle, convertible. Yep. All right, now, how you doing?
All right.
Nice paint job on this. I don't know what it is. Here's the Chrysler van, really decked out. This is a Challenger. Some pretty lights on there. Let's see, this is a, I don't know what you call that. Maybe y'all can break it out. Hey, a 68 Cougar. Nice.
67.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do they look the same? Okay. It's nice. Oh, the cat's scaring me. There's a Honda Civic, I think, or is it a Accord?
Ford.
69 Camaro. Nice. Look at that blower on that rascal. Wouldn't want to pay the gas bill. Excuse me, sir. This is a Nova, I believe. No, it's not. I'm guessing what that is. I don't know what that rascal is. Let y'all figure it out. 55 Chevrolet pickup truck, maybe?
Studebaker.
55, I guess it right. She's a nice one. 444, 442 Cutlass. Oldsmobile. I don't know if it's a Cutlass or not, but anyhow. It's an Oldsmobile 442. GT Mustang. Anniversary. And the next one's going to be a Honda. It's got the motor in that rascal. This looks like a car they race out here. 53 Chevrolet, I like this body style. It's my favorite body style. And it is a 53. This is 1932 Ford Victoria. This is a Charger. 1973 Charger.
340 color.
This is a Dodge pickup truck. She's clean. Malibu station wagon. And the, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
All right. Another Chrysler.
I believe so, yes,
Chevrolet pickup truck. I gotta look where I'm going. Chevrolet Camaro. She's nice. It's so bright up here, I can't tell if I'm putting the camera in the right direction. Okay, we got a couple of old, there's a T-bucket here maybe? There's nothing to wonder, so I can't tell you what year it is. A few nice ones out here. But I miss anything, having the camera in the wrong direction, I can't tell. This Corvette here.
Pretty color.
Yeah, and it shines nice in the sun. All right, guys, this is a 64 Ford Falcon with a 6-cylinder in it. Let me get back here so you get a better picture of it. She's nice. It's got a lock there for some reason. I don't know what that's. I know they didn't come from a factory like that. Convertible. Yeah, I appreciate if y'all subscribe to my channel, Larry68HD, and give me a thumbs up. It helped me out with YouTube. I messed up my video, but anyhow, it's a pretty car. Let me get back here so you see it better. What do you call that thing right there, Nick? What is that?
Model T.
Model T? What year is it?
25.
1925. And that's, I'm gonna say that's a 53 Chevrolet pickup truck, my favorite body style, 3-window. She is clean as a pin. Got the original motor in a 6-cylinder, straight 6. And this is a Woody of some sort. What kind of Woody is that, Nick? Look on the windshield. See what you got. Ford 53 Chevrolet. What do you got, mate?
It says Ford Woody.
Okay, that covers it. And this is a Buick, I would say. I'm gonna guess 53 Buick. What do you think it is? Can you see on the windshield? So the natural patina, they call it on it. Original paint job. 55 Buick Century. SS El Camino. 68 maybe, 60 or 70. I'm guessing, y'all. What year is it? Another El Camino. It says 427 on the side of it. You can't see the paint job, but she glitters. It's got some glitter to her. This is a 1965. And that's a 72. I was wrong about that in my guesstimation. AMC Javelin. I think it's called a Javelin. Javelin, you want to a drag? That's what it used to be, the commercial. Back when this thing was new, I remember the commercials when I was a kid. Barracuda. Nice. Oh, they're playing the national anthem. I'm going to hold off here a second.
Pledge allegiance to
Oh yeah, I've got to hold off again now. It's doing pledge allegiance now. This is a Porsche. Y'all see that? I need to back up a little bit. Nobody's telling me what to do. I'm on my own. I got the year 2001. T-bucket. This is kits. So people make these things, but it's a lot of work and talent going into making anything. All right, time for another stop here. Okay, like I was saying, this is 23 T-bucket, 1923, and they build these from scratch. Sometimes you buy kits and stuff to put them together. A lot of them is a lot of hard work and talent. $1935 Ford pickup truck, pretty. Nice color too. Okay, another pause. They're doing something else up there. 55 Ford pickup truck with a blower on it. She'll get up the road and she'll jump to gas station to gas station. She's pretty though. She's in good shape. We got a 65 Mustang. This is a 65? Yeah, 65 Mustang. Nice. Red on red. With original 6-cylinder motor. I think most of them were 6-cylinder. No, that's got a V8 in it. I wonder if they, no, it says 289 on the, no, 260. They took it to the 260 back in them days. I bought my wife one a while back. We started rebuilding it. Never got it finished, and she kind of wrecked it, so I lost interest. She had a telephone pole coming out of the driveway. This is a SST, I think, or something like that. It's not that old, but not that new either, I guess. Dodge Viper. It's got a snake on there. I don't like snakes. I guess what a Viper is. Get it back here. This is a 57 maybe Ford Thunderbird. Nice. Always liked them. They've always been expensive. I'm gonna say 57. I'm gonna look at it because I'm curious because I got 3 years that look kind of like the same. You got a hard top on. One time they're got a porthole. Uh-oh. 57. Roadrunner. Richard Petty Blue. Nice.
There will be people circulating
404 barrel.
Some 50-50 tickets.
When it came from the factory.
Oh, did it? Okay. How long you had it?
About 14 years.
14? All right. Nice. Looks real good.
Thursday was its 50th build day.
Okay. All right. This is 57 Ford Ranchera. I'm gonna say 57. I'm guessing. I'm a good guesser. Oh, well, I'm good at guessing, but I don't mean I'm always right. 57, that's what it says. This is a Model T. I don't know what it is. Peg 30. I don't know if that means what year it is. There's no stickers in the window, nothing to tell you, so all I was guessing. This is GTO. Poor thing's got a little dent in the back of it. You don't need to see that. How you doing? Deluxe Chevrolet 53 Chevrolet Deluxe. Guessing again. 51, okay. I was close, but not close enough. I know that's a 57 Chevrolet.
Oh, yeah.
I bet my life on that one. That's nice.
No. What are you doing, bud? Oh, yeah. Got a TV in the back.
A lot of nice cars out here. This would be one of my favorites here, I'd say.
Dang, we should enter in the show,
Yeah.
man.
That's 57. You're 57. That's nice.
Thank you.
Real nice. I think it's maybe my favorite one out here. I mean, they got a lot of nice ones out here.
Yes.
How long you had it?
I got it in 2001 and put it on the road in 2010.
Okay.
Completely off the frame. He was in a tub it and rotate it. My race car.
Oh yeah. Okay.
That's safe.
I'm glad you saved it.
Yes.
Glad you saved it. All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
Chevrolet Nova. I'm gonna say 72.
Yes.
I had one,
Okay.
but it was all stock with a 6-cylinder in it.
You know, when I first started driving,
A little more on this Chevrolet Nova. This rascal is in good shape. Somebody definitely came down the frame with this rascal and redone it. Hey, got something to eat for us there. Got some snacks for us. 72. GT 500 Cobra Mustang Ford. Y'all knew that, didn't you? She's nice. She's real nice. Saw you yesterday.
Hey, how you doing, boss?
They're good. They're good. How you doing?
Yeah, she out front.
I saw it. I saw it out there.
Actually, I didn't even